Đi lại đấy chứ, tốt rồi mà. Cái chỉ ta.
Anh thuế nhá. 5.000, lấy mấy que nào?
Xin một cài xong rồi.
Ngồi đi.
Hello everyone. Wish you a happy new day. May you meet a lot of luck in life. Today, I will take you to explore a market. Cốc Ly Market, Cốc Ly Commune, Bakhar District, Lào Cai. It is a unique highland market, held every Tuesday morning, a highlight that few people know. Market day every Tuesday. Time from about 6 a.m., lasting until noon. The market gradually disappears when the sun rises. Location? Located right next to the suspension bridge over the Che River, about 12-18 kilometers from the center of Bakhar, mainly attended by the Flower Hmong, Black Dao and Nung people, with colorful traditional costumes of the Flower Hmong. The image of Hmong girls waiting for boys by the bridge, like a highland version of a love market, is a unique cultural feature here. The market is divided into distinct areas: corn, potatoes, wild vegetables, herbs, tea, upland rice. Area includes agricultural products and spices. Corn, potatoes, wild vegetables, herbs, tea, upland rice, poultry, livestock, pigs, chickens, dogs, buffaloes, horses brought for trade, brocade and handicraft, skirts, scarves, brocade fabrics. Many tourists choose as gifts market cuisine, thang co, sour pho, corn wine, men, served on the spot exchange, meeting. Originally a place for young men and women to date and chat, so it was called Love Market. This tradition is still maintained. Exchange goods in the form of like for like, can use rice, plant seeds, animal seeds to exchange for other items, more like a commodity market than a cash market. Atmosphere, lively, bustling, like a colorful Highland festival scenery. The market is located on a majestic natural background. Near the Che River and Suspension Bridge, you can combine boating or exploring the surrounding villages. Suggested itinerary: you can wake up early, join the market, and then explore Cốc Ly Hydroelectric Lake or Tien Cave, suitable for a day trip from Bakhar. Cốc Ly Market is a soul of Bakhar Highland culture, where you not only shop, but also deeply feel the traditional values, from the color of costumes, exchange rituals, to the meeting space imbued with the love market. The market is small but meaningful. Trade, identification, connection. Now please watch the video. Melon $0.2 1 kg. Thai Nong pear 1.1 1 kg salt.
Đâu có đi lại đấy chứ, tốt rồi mà. Đi lại cái chỉ ta. Cái cuốn này nhiều thôi mà.
Kép tơ mu chất lượng cao mua đi ai keo ruồi keo chuột keo
Lychee 0.3 1 kg.
keo dính chuột keo mấy thịt nhãn ăn thuốc ngọt thuốc kiến thuốc rán thuốc ve quả cho nào ai nên ý để hút còn không còn phép mà ngày nào ai kép tơ mu chất lượng cao mua đi ai keo ruồi keo chuột keo mấy
Ai lấy 3 cân bố gì nữa. Ở nhà đấy đấy, thì người ta xong ra bỏ bớt ra.
Tôi chuyên cấp chìa khóa, khóa nhà, khóa tủ, khóa xe máy.
Handbag 1 apiece. Chick fried cake made from sticky rice flour. One of the rustic but extremely attractive dishes at Sin Cheng Market is gak fried cake made from sticky rice flour. The small round cakes are puffy, covered in an eye-catching orange-red color thanks to giak, a typical fruit of the northern mountainous region. When fried, the cake crust is crispy, the inside is soft and chewy, with a light aroma of sticky rice mixed with the fatty taste of gas. Take a bite and you will feel the rustic, slightly sweet flavor spreading, making it difficult for anyone who has tried it to forget. This is not only a delicious dish, but also shows the ingenuity and sophistication of the hands of Highland women.
Rẻ mà bà. Lấy mấy quen nào? Bà lấy 4 quen nhá. Bánh em ơi.
Bánh 10.511, loại kia 2.000 tiền lại. Vào lên cái.
Household appliances area. Dumplings, 4.35 pieces.
Bánh bao nóng nào. Bánh bao nóng nào. Bánh bao
Bakhar red pho, a bowl of pho with the soul of the mountains and forests. Bakhar red pho is considered a typical, unique dish that cannot be found anywhere else. What makes this pho special is the pho noodles with a characteristic red-brown color, made from rice grown on highlands. Local people soak the rice with forest leaves, commonly known as goat's blood tree or gam tree, thanks to which the pho noodles have a natural red color, are soft and chewy, but still retain a moderate amount of toughness. The broth of Bakhar red pho is also very special. Unlike the elaborate stewing of Hanoi pho, the broth here is usually made from bread Zurao's 24-piece. Mixed sweet soup is one of the traditional sweet soups, popular throughout the 3 regions of Vietnam, famous for its variety of ingredients, eye-catching colors, and sweet, cool taste. Below is a detailed description of mixed sweet soup. Mixed sweet soup does not have a fixed recipe, but usually includes many types of ingredients cooked separately and then mixed together when eaten. Some common ingredients: red beans, cooked soft, slightly sweet. Green beans with skin removed. Soft, fragrant, often cooked puree or left as seeds. Black beans. Soft, fragrant, creating harmonious colors. Tap powder, small tapioca pearls. Chewy, transparent, creating attractive stickiness. Agar jelly, coconut jelly, grass jelly, cool, slightly crispy. Sweet potatoes, taro, American corn, sweet corn, dice, boil or steam. Purple sticky rice or broken sticky rice create stickiness and aroma. 2. Coconut milk and sugar water. Coconut milk, cooked until thick, can add a little salt and tapioca starch. This is the soul that makes the sweet soup rich and fragrant.
Một giờ về tôi đã
Pork rice rolls, $3 one plate.
Có này làm cũng kịp nhà. Đất ơi. Lên.
10.000 một cân ghi vào ý ký. Vải thiều Bắc Giang 10.000 một cân ghi vào ý ký. Vải thiều Bắc Giang 10.000 một cân ghi vào. Vải thiều Bắc Giang 10.000 một cân ghi vào ý ký. Vải thiều Bắc Giang 10.000 một cân ghi vào ý ký.
Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.